Holy cow. I want to look at that. This is Thunderbird. This is North Mountain. Thunderbird and 7th. Look at that storm just moving past the towers. Oh man, look at that right there. This doesn't have a zoom, so that is amazingness right there. Come on, I need to zoom in. It is really, really bad right there. Oh man, I'm getting soaked. It is really. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you can't even see ahead. You know. Holy cow, it is really, really bad storm right here. Okay. Actually, I'm going to be going right in it. Lord, it is really. Look at what dark it is. Okay. Can't even see. Okay. I'm going to be going right into this. Alright. We really got incredible storm here. Yeah, okay, just drive like there's nothing going on. Yeah. Nothing to see here. Actually, can't see nothing here. It's flying by me like there's nothing wrong. Okay. Visibility is probably less than 100 feet. Unbelievable what's going on in here right now. This is Thunderbird eastbound through just past 19th Avenue. The stretch in between 19th Avenue and Thunderbird. I'm going what? That's how fast I'm going. Look at this. Look at this. Look at unbelievable. Look at the look at. I just did the pools all in Moon Valley here. Guess that was a waste of time. You know, this is incredible, but there is definitely some type of real spooky event. I mean, look at these trees. I mean, they're really. I'm driving in the middle lane, and now I'm going to put my blinkers on. Okay. Yeah. Look at that light. That light is, you know, just right now, what, 100 feet away? There is a lot of damage going on right now. I can hear it hitting the side of the truck too. This is the worst one I've been in. In the daytime, not a doubt about it. And there is debris there. Look at the stuff that's blowing. It's really, I would have to guess, is 60, 70 mile an hour winds right now. Totally rocking the ship here. You got the guy in the rear mirror. He's got his lights on. Tree down. Trees down. Debris.